looks like the fan bracket came loose, so it's been shaving away. See, it's loose in there. Oh look, it's actually broken. Wow, I actually have my welder with me so I can weld this. That's awesome. Bottom up the wires. That should be plenty strong. Some nice weld piled up in there. I mean, it doesn't have to be that strong to work with this, but yeah, thankfully, thankfully it was still holding on by a thread before the whole motor assembly was about to fly apart. It's kind of noisy. So this is the motor running and it's spinning. Doesn't really seem to be making any noise, so I think it's just the blade's a little bit imbalanced, but I replaced some fasteners to tighten this up better, and I think it's going to be okay. So if the fan blades get a little bit out of adjustment, I take my Allen wrench, open it up, and hold it so that it's steady, and then I can check the distance between the Allen key and the blade. See, like this one right here is the closest to it. I already adjusted them, but there was a couple that were bent pretty badly from that riding on the bracket weird. There we go, nice and smooth now. I'm so happy that I finally got to use the welder on the job. I loaded that thing up like last week because I thought I would need it for something else. And I was like, I should just let it ride with me for a while. And then I almost took it out yesterday, but decided to just leave it in there. So yeah, it was nice. Came in handy today. Should be good to go.